All right, we have these pictures coming in, very, very interesting pictures of Nitish Kumar and Tejasvi Yadav headed to Delhi. And this is the same flight that they've, been booked in. Wondering if this is a sheer coincidence or whether there is more to what really meets the eye. But pictures right now on your screens are of Nitish Kumar and Tejasvi Yadav on the same flight to Delhi, and sitting right behind Nitish Kumar is Tejasvi Yadav. Nitish Kumar, in fact, has gone into these elections being a part of the NDA, ditching his partners in Bihar, RJD and the Congress, and you have his former deputy. In fact, in the same flight as Nitish Kumar. These are pictures coming in from on board a flight, which is in fact a Delhi-bound flight essentially, from Patna, where Nitish Kumar and Tejasvi Yadav are on the same flight on the way to the national capital. Both of them coming here for important meetings. Nitish is expected to be a part of the NDA meeting at 4. Tejasvi, of course, here. Tejasvi here for the 6 p.m. meeting of the India Alliance. Shashi, in fact, my colleague is getting asked more details. Shashi, interesting coincidence है ये बोले या क्या इसको कहें, ये सेम फ्लाइट में दोनों जो नेता हैं आ रहे हैं अलग अलग मीटिंग्स के लिए?
बिल्कुल ये सहयोग कहा जाएगा, क्योंकि नीतीश कुमार का कार्यक्रम भी तय हो गया था कि वो दिल्ली जाएंगे एनडीए की बैठक में शामिल होने के लिए। खुद प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी से उनकी बात हुई थी फोन पर, और आज मुलाकात होगी एक बार फिर से। चुनाव नतीजे आने के पहले नीतीश कुमार और प्रधानमंत्री की मुलाकात हुई थी, और कल फोन पर बातचीत हुई जब नतीजे आए, और आज नीतीश कुमार रवाना हुए हैं। और बहुत अजीब संयोग है कि इसी फ्लाइट पे तेजस्वी यादव, उनको भी जो इंडिया ब्लॉक की मीटिंग है उसमें शामिल होना है आज ही, तो वो भी गए हैं। और ये पटना से दिल्ली की फ्लाइट है विस्तारा एयरवेज की, और इसी फ्लाइट में दोनों गए हैं। और ये तस्वीरें और जो विजुअल्स आए हैं वो बता रहे हैं कि नीतीश और तेजस्वी ठीक आगे पीछे की सीट पे बैठे हैं। हालांकि दूसरे नेताओं की मौजूदगी भी इस फ्लाइट में है, चिराग पासवान भी रवाना हुए हैं, बाकी नेताओं की भी रवानगी हुई है, लेकिन नीतीश और तेजस्वी का लंबे अरसे बाद आमना सामना हुआ है, और एक ही फ्लाइट में आगे पीछे की सीट पर दोनों दिल्ली पहुंचेंगे। दिल्ली में पहुंचने के बाद ये मालूम पड़ेगा कि दोनों के बीच बातचीत हुई या नहीं हुई। जो सामान्य अभिवादन है वो तो जरूर हुआ है, लेकिन आगे क्या वाकई कोई खिचड़ी पकती है बिहार में चाचा और भतीजे के बीच, ये सबकी नजरें इस पर टिकी हुई है।
जी बिल्कुल, इंटरेस्टिंग डेवलपमेंट्स हैं। आज हम ये तस्वीरें देख रहे हैं टू टेल आवर व्यूअर्स। तेजस्वी यादव, शशि बिल्कुल पीछे बैठे हैं।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल पीछे बैठे हैं। तेजस्वी यादव के बगल में देखिए आप, यादव उनके सलाहकार भी रहे, पीए भी रहे, और अब राज्यसभा के सांसद हैं। संजय यादव जो हैं उनके ठीक बगल में बैठे हैं तेजस्वी यादव के, और उनके ठीक आगे की सीट पे नीतीश कुमार विंडो सीट, संजय कुमार झा जो राज्यसभा के सांसद अब जेडीयू के हो गए हैं, वो उनको साथ में जाना है। तो ये पूरा जो सीट प्लान है वो इसी तरीके का है। लेकिन हाँ, तेजस्वी और नीतीश कुमार अगर चुनाव नतीजे के एक दिन बाद एक साथ जा रहे हैं, तो जाहिर तौर पे जो वर्तमान परिस्थितियां हैं चुनाव नतीजों के बाद, जिसमें नीतीश कुमार का महत्व तो बढ़ा है एनडीए गठबंधन में, और खुद कल जिस तरह से तेजस्वी यादव ने आज संकेत दिए कि वो जो है इसलिए जा रहे हैं वो कि इंडिया ब्लॉक की जो बैठक होगी उस बैठक में इंडिया गठबंधन की सरकार बनाने की संभावनाओं पर वो चर्चा करेंगे। और वो संभावनाएं तभी पूरी हो सकती हैं जब या तो टीडीपी या नीतीश कुमार, चंद्रबाबू नायडू या नीतीश कुमार की पार्टी अगर कोई खेल करे एनडीए के साथ। वो फिलहाल दिखता नहीं है, क्योंकि एनडीए भी अपने आप को इंटैक्ट करने में बीजेपी वहां जुटी हुई है। और बीजेपी ने जो मैसेज दिया है, कल प्रधानमंत्री ने जो बातें कही बीजेपी मुख्यालय पहुंच करके, वो इस बात का संकेत है। उन्होंने अपने लंबे भाषण में नीतीश कुमार और चंद्रबाबू नायडू के नाम का जिक्र किया, एनडीए की जीत बताया था उन्होंने। तो ये चीजें जो है वो बताती है कि बीजेपी मौजूदा नंबर्स के बीच ये समझ रही है कि नीतीश कुमार की या चंद्रबाबू नायडू की अहमियत कितनी ज्यादा है। और ये अलग बात है कि जो नीतीश कुमार छोड़कर चले गए महागठबंधन को बिहार में, उनको लेकर के अब ज्यादा उम्मीद जो है वो इंडिया ब्लॉक के नेता लगा रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल, बने रहिए हमारे साथ शशि, इसके बारे में बातचीत करेंगे। अपने दर्शकों को बता दे व्यूअर्स, Pawan Kalyan is also headed to Delhi. You see the Janasena chief right now in these pictures on the right side of your screens, that he is headed to Delhi. But now we're coming back to these very interesting pictures of Nitish and Tejasvi on the same flight, and guess what? They're sitting just Right. Staying with these pictures, in fact, coming in of Tejasvi Yadav and Nitish Kumar headed to Delhi and sitting just right very close to each other. Just one seat behind him is Tejasvi Yadav, as you can see in these pictures. Shashi continues to be with us. I'll try and go across to Shashi if Shashi is with us. Shashi, अगर इंडिया अलायंस की तरफ से नीतीश की तरफ कोई फीलर सेंड किया गया है, कुछ अगर आप अपने सोर्सेस के थ्रू All right. In fact, we'll also put out the pictures right now. Remember, these are fast-moving political developments. Supriya Sule speaking. Let's take.
Be very, very careful. Girls, please be careful. Watch your feet.
Ma'am, will you comment? The government, ma'am, quick comment, ma'am.
So there you heard NCP leader Supriya Sule, Sharad Pawar arriving in the national capital for the mega India bloc meeting to decide the further course of action, whether the India bloc or the opposition group decides to sit on the opposition benches or they will make some attempt for the formation of the government. That's yet to be seen. All eyes on the big meeting. But there you see Supriya Sule and Sharad Pawar leaving from the Delhi airport. And now this area becomes really very significant. Arrival of the VIPs, VVIPs in the national capital. And they will be, few will be the part of regime, few will be the kingmaker. All eyes on the Delhi airport also.
All right, Ashutosh is with us. In fact, getting us those pictures of Supriya Sule. Ashutosh, if you can hear me, what great news, isn't it, for the NCP after the kind of setbacks they have suffered really for just so many days together. And Ashutosh, just to tell you that we also are putting our these pictures of Nitish Kumar just right behind him is Tejasvi Yadav. These are pictures also coming in from the flight in which both of them are coincidentally booked in. We'll also go across to Shashi. But Ashutosh, to you about Supriya Sule. This fight was personal. This fight was really a battle of prestige, isn't it? And she's won it.
Well, I don't see, Sneha, this is just a battle of prestige. Remember the extraordinary situation for the entire opposition bloc to contesting this election. And despite all odds, remember, NCP was literally broken into pieces. Literally two parts. Ajit Pawar parting ways with taking some MLAs, MPs, leaders. So this comes against all odds and despite all, forming an alliance with the Congress and Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena and then winning this unprecedented number. And remember, this looks like a reflection also going to be affecting the Maharashtra Assembly election, which is barely due in 5 to 6 months later in this year when the elections, Assembly elections is due in Maharashtra. So this is more than extraordinary, and that's exactly you see that those who have lost even the elections have a different body language, have a different confidence because they know what were those circumstances under these political parties forming an alliance and even contesting. And that's why you see all the opposition. In fact, right behind me, if you see KL Sharma, person who defeated Smriti Irani, also arrived national capital and now en route to the party headquarters will be meeting party leaders. And KL Sharma, when I spoke just a minute ago, said that he believes that even India opposition bloc should also try and form a government if there is at all possibility. They must explore. However, they are maintaining a silence. Who should lead? But that's again, I know that's totally a different issue whether the India bloc will be able. But for now, it's a big meeting this evening. NCP will take part. Uddhav Thackeray will take part. All the India bloc leaders will take part. And then they will decide because the mandates looks like has been for a very strong opposition in 2024's parliament. Now, whether they're going to follow that mandate and sit in opposition or some attempt looking at the president, because there have been such instances, for example, the Haryana, where BJP even lost the election, but they form a government with the support of JJP. Whether they are going to explore those opportunities which have been set up precedents in the past, of course, by the BJP, that need to be seen because for now, there are buzz, there are rumors, and of course, there are speculation that how long BJP can really trust on their partners like TDP and the JDU, where the relationship in the recent past have been really very sweet and sometimes in sour. So clearly, all options will be explored by the opposition. But for now, largely looks like they all are waiting for that meeting where the major decision will be taken. But we are also keeping a very close eye. Who all are coming? What I'm being told that Nitish Pramanik is also likely to arrive maybe in another 20 minutes and more of, and then Stalin and other leaders from the India bloc from different states, all live in the national capital. It's going to be really very happening day here for all of us, Neha.
Well, absolutely. Pictures, in fact, on your screens right now, viewers, are of Sharad Pawar and Supriya Sule, who've arrived in Delhi. Also, interesting pictures coming in from a flight, which is a Delhi-bound flight, essentially, where Tejasvi Yadav is sitting right behind Nitish Kumar. And that is a flight that also has other political leaders also who are coming to Delhi. But, these are pictures, in fact, which are giving interesting indications as to how different things could be than what we are imagining at this point in time, isn't it, Ashutosh? I just want to particularly talk about those pictures of Tejasvi Yadav right behind Nitish Kumar. It is for everybody to see and understand how Nitish, in fact, has left the RJD and the Congress in the lurch, not once, not twice, but on several other occasions in the past, and joined the BJP, then led the BJP in the lurch and come back to the alliance, to the Mahagathbandhan in Bihar. At this point in time, nothing can be ruled out, isn't it?
Well, I used that word, sweet and sour relationship of the India alliances, including JDU and BJP. In fact, for decades they have been a partner. Then soaring, relationship post 2015, 2016, and then recently yet again forming the government, leaving BJP, and again joining the NDA camp. But for now, looks like the JDU is giving a hint that they will be part of the NDA at large. But whether that will be just a will that they are going to be part of NDA, or there is a strong bargaining, because that's what exactly happens in the coalition, Dharma. Because there is a strong buzz, the JDU will also ask for the post of speaker, and that really matters in such a coalition mandate when you just barely few numbers up from the halfway mark, and then asking for a speaker post or a deputy speaker post or key portfolios. There exactly how the coalition we have seen working in last many regimes. So for BJP, it's very unlike, especially in this regime, the last two elections, they have won with absolute majority and enjoyed overwhelming majority. But this time, and again, the picture that we are putting out, Nitish Kumar, Tejasvi, this could be a coincidence. Tejasvi Yadav also has to reach Delhi, and Nitish Kumar is also coming Delhi. Tejasvi Yadav will join India bloc meeting. Nitish Kumar will join NDA meeting. But since those two leaders are sitting together, of course they will be talking. And if there is not, there are also factors that work, behind the camera and behind the curtain. Of course, there have been some calls being made yesterday between different leaders, wishing them or some talk. But the final picture will only also depends upon what exactly those leaders are looking as far as their future prospect is concerned. Whether they feel the safe or their future with the NDA, they will be with the NDA. But remember, there are also buzz. Yesterday, in fact, you heard that there are a lot of buzz that the opposition bloc, what they have offered, probably is not with the NDA. The opposition has what they offer, even the post of Prime Minister, even the post like Deputy Prime Minister. So when these kinds of buzz happens in the political spectrum, you rightly said that nothing can be ruled out. But at this moment, looks like NDA united. Chandrababu on record said, Nitish Kumar also looks like saying that they will be part of the NDA. They will be supporting the letter of support to Prime Minister Modi and to form the government of NDA. But
all right,
this could not be a game of today, tomorrow, day after, week or a month. This is just a game which has just begun.
All right. Ashutosh, coming back to you in a moment from now, Nitish Kumar and Tejasvi Yadav perhaps offering the most interesting photo opportunity this election season there with those pictures coming in. Listening to what Tejasvi Yadav also said.
हम लोगों का जो प्रदर्शन रहा है बहुत ही बढ़िया रहा है और आप जान रहे हैं बिहार से ही चुनाव उठा और जिस हिसाब से हम लोगों ने चुनाव मुद्दों पर लड़ने का काम किया है वो आप सब लोग देख सकते हैं। तो अयोध्या में राम जी का आशीर्वाद तो इंडिया गठबंधन को हम लोगों को मिला, तो कहीं भी जो है आप देखिएगा एक चीज तो साफ हो गया कि जो मोदी जी की बात करते थे कि मोदी फैक्टर वो खत्म हो गया। भाजपा जो है मेजॉरिटी से दूर चली गई है, जो सहयोगी हैं अब उन पर डिपेंडेंट है।
India Bloc spectacular show in election 2024 where they've done very well. After winning 234 seats, top guns of the India Bloc are headed to the national capital for a key meeting at 6 p.m. to chalk out their future course of action. Samajwadi Party's Akhilesh Yadav, RJD's Tejasvi, Sena's UBT's Sanjay Raut, AAP Sanjay Singh, TMC's Abhishek Banerjee, NCP Sharad Pawar are among the other opposition netas who are going to attend today's meeting at Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge's house. After the results were out, the opposition parties began to launch a no-holds-barred attack at the BJP and asked Narendra Modi to quit as Prime Minister, as he lost credibility, they say, in these elections.
We're going to have a meeting with our partners, the India Alliance partners. I believe that meeting is tomorrow, and these questions will be raised there and they will be answered there. We respect our alliance partners, and we are not going to make statements in the press without asking them their opinion.
பாஜகவோட பணபலம், அதிகார துஷ்பிரயோகம், ஊடக பரப்புரைன்னு எல்லாத்தையும் உடைச்செறிஞ்சு பெற்றிருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த வெற்றி மகத்தான வெற்றியாக, வரலாற்று சிறப்புமிக்க வெற்றியாக அமைந்திருக்கிறது. தேர்தல் முடிவுகள் முழுமையாக வெளியான பிறகு இந்திய ஜனநாயகத்தையும் அரசியல் சாசனத்தையும் காக்க தேவையான நாடாளுமன்ற தேர்தல் வெற்றியை தலைவர் கலைஞருக்கு காணிக்கையாக்கும்னு சொல்லியிருந்தார். இந்தியாவிலேயே 75 ஆண்டு கால கடந்த ஒரு மாநில கட்சியான திமுகவோட இந்த தேர்தல் வெற்றியை, இந்த இயக்கத்தை 50 ஆண்டு காலம் கட்டி காத்து இயக்கிய தலைவர் கலைஞர்களுக்கு நான் இதை காணிக்கையாக்குகிறேன்.
আমি কি বলেছিলাম, তোমাদের দুটো সিট দিচ্ছি, তোমাদের একটাও এমএলএ নেই, দুটো সিটেই জিতে যাবে। আর আমি বলেছিলাম তোমরা ইন্ডিয়ার সাথে অ্যাডজাস্টটা করো সবার সাথে, তাহলে তুমি 100 সিট পাবে। আমার কথাটা মিলেছে কি মেলেনি?
जिस दिन हमारा गठबंधन हुआ इंडिया, उसी वक्त हम सारे लोगों ने तय किया था कि किसी व्यक्ति को लेकर नहीं, लेकिन ये जो तानाशाही है देश में, उसको खत्म करना चाहिए, देश का संविधान बचाना चाहिए। फिर चाहे सब मिलकर प्रधानमंत्री का उम्मीदवार हम तय कर सकते हैं, और मुझे लगता है कि कल वो हो जाएगा।
अगर राहुल गांधी जी स्वीकारने को तैयार है नेतृत्व, तो हम विरोध क्यों करेंगे? राहुल गांधी देश के नेता है, ये प्रूव किया है। राहुल गांधी लोकप्रिय नेता है, देश की जनता ने उनको स्वीकारा है, हम सब उनसे प्यार करते हैं, हम उनको चाहते हैं सब लोग। इंडिया गठबंधन में प्रधानमंत्री पद के ऊपर कोई मतभेद ही नहीं है।
कांग्रेस जो है वो सबसे बड़ा घटक दल है, और कल कांग्रेस के नेता राहुल गांधी जी ने, खड़गे जी ने, सब लोगों ने स्पष्ट किया कि हम लोग सरकार बनाने की प्रक्रिया में आगे बढ़ेंगे या नहीं बढ़ेंगे, ये रणनीति आज तय करेंगे। 6 बजे आज शाम को मीटिंग है, तो उसमें ये तय हो जाएगा कि भाई सरकार बनाने की प्रक्रिया में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे तो कैसे बढ़ेंगे, क्या क्या करेंगे।
Government, and it's a clear pattern of voting all over the country against the BJP government, especially Tamil Nadu, where the DMK alliance has got 40-40.
Ashutosh is getting asked more details as far as the big story developing from the national capital here is concerned. Pictures coming in of several leaders, as expected, headed to their important meeting today at 6 this evening. But a significant statement coming in from Uddhav Thackeray faction of the Shiv Sena, which obviously I believe is music to the eyes of the ears really of the Congress party, with them saying that we support Rahul Gandhi. If he wants to head the government, if he wants to be the PM, we support him, isn't it? This exactly is what Congress would want to hear.
And, showing a gesture, in fact, yesterday in a press conference, Rahul Gandhi and Kharge both, in fact, straight refused to declare what their intention could be. And in fact, rather said that since we are in a coalition, we will sit with our partners and then only decide what will be the future course of action. But at the same time, it's also, quite okay to say that, because without taking decision, without discussing with your partner, you cannot really one-sidedly decide what could be the action, because ultimately you require a support. And at the moment, the the India bloc entirely lacks numbers. Even after you make some attempt to reach out to Chandrababu Naidu, Nitish Kumar, you may require some more numbers as well. And clearly in that terms, whatever the number Naveen Patnaik have, whether he's going to support you, whatever number YSR have, whether he's going to support you, then you are also banking on the independent candidate like Chandrasekhar Ravan from Nagina. Of course, he was not part of India bloc. In fact, Akhilesh Yadav or Mayawati both denied to give him ticket or accommodate him in the opposition. Then you have the independent candidates from Jammu and Kashmir. So clearly on those numbers, and then without taking deliberation, discussing, and also the repercussion of that could be. So clearly that could not have been a wise decision. In fact, KL Sharma, at the moment when he arrived, he said the India bloc may try some attempt. In fact, this morning I also spoke to Sagarika Ghosh, TMC member of parliament. She also said we may try, but again without discussion, and discussion focused on the numbers that you have, the discussion also on the numbers you may have after reaching out to the partners. And there is no reason to believe that they might have not tried to reach out to the non-Congress or non-India bloc leaders. But whatever response may have come, that will only decide. And subsequently, there could be one formula to wait and watch. Let NDA form a coalition government, because this will be totally a new experience for Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah Duo. So this will be a new experience. Let them lead a coalition government, and let there be a bargaining by the TDP and the JDU. Whatever they ask for, whether they're asking for key portfolios, whether they ask for the speaker, deputy speaker post, and whatever happens. In that terms, then the delivering material and the key contention. Because end of the day, they are the public representative. They'll be taking the issues in the parliament. Then there are key bills. There are crucial bills. And there are even controversial bills which are pending, and which there have been ambitious bills like One Nation, One Election. Whether they're going to have the same support and the formula like Agniveer, which is very controversial, and which is also seems to be reflecting results in the election, whether there will be a demand,
Yes.
the bills like that being sent by the opposition leaders and seeking support from. So a lot of things, under the carpet at the moment, and everyone looks like a wait and watch formula, but the deliberation will at least put a light what exactly the plan is. And that will only be clear by the late evening.
All right. Thanking you, Ashutosh, for getting us those details, putting that into perspective. Pictures also of Pawan Kalyan, who's headed to the national capital along with his wife and his son. Remember, apart from the India bloc meeting, the NDA is also meeting at 4 in the afternoon to chalk out their strategy, their plan. Of course, Pawan Kalyan, a part of the NDA.